Most people don't fail because they're not smart or talented. Research from Stanford University shows that deliberate practice and mindset, not raw talent, are the strongest predictors of long-term success. In fact, psychologist Angela Duckworth calls this quality grit, the ability to persist with purpose. So then, why do people fail? They fail because of invisible traps that they keep falling into without even realising it. It starts with fear. The fear of starting. What if I fail? That single question kills more dreams than failure itself. Then comes inconsistency. One moment they're fired up, chasing a goal, and the next they've moved on to something else. It's like digging 5 shallow holes instead of one deep one. No wonder they never strike gold. They're not consistent in their efforts. And what about motivation? Most people wait and wait and wait to feel motivated. But here's the truth. Motivation doesn't come first. Action comes first. And motivation follows. That's how momentum is born. But it gets worse. They become prisoners of perfectionism, afraid of judgment of what others might think. They either never start or they bury their work in silence, waiting for it to be perfect. But perfect never comes, and so they stall. So how do you avoid this? You break the cycle. First, don't set goals, build systems. Don't say, I want to be rich. Say, I'll invest 10% of my income every month. Don't say, I want to get fit. Say, I'll walk 10,000 steps a day. Systems win where goals fade, because systems create a road for you to drive to your goals. Second, take imperfect action. Don't wait for the perfect idea, the perfect day, the perfect plan. Done is always better than perfect. Remember, every success story started rough, and every master was once a disaster. Most people fail because they wait, they doubt, they quit. But not you, because now you know what they don't, and with efforts and consistency, you will come out of the failure trap. If you're ready to evolve and excel, hit that subscribe button and join us for more powerful lessons